Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about Pixie Bob haircut. That's a cool hairstyle choice. The Pixie Bob haircut is such a trendy and chic look. It's a great way to switch things up and add some edginess to your style. Styling a Pixie Bob haircut can be so much fun since it's a short and sassy cut. You can play around with different textures and styles. You could try using some texturizing spray or pomade to add some volume and definition. Some trendy accessories for Pixie Bobs are cute hair clips, headbands, or even stylish hats. They can add a fun and fashionable touch to your hairstyle. You could also try experimenting with bold earrings or statement necklaces to complement your look. Accessories are a great way to show off your personality and add some flair to your Pixie Bob haircut. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.